Hello and welcome to another episode of the Parking Network News Roundup. I'm Yost Manoj, and today we'll be looking at a selection of stories from March and April. In this edition, we'll cover updates around ticketless parking, ANPR technology, digital parking access, municipal parking operations, and smarter tools for EV charging environments. Let's dive into it. We'll start with AVUTEC, who recently launched CortexConnect, a centralized cloud platform for managing ANPR cameras. The platform is designed to give users a clear overview of their connected camera network with tools for monitoring, configuration, automation, user management, and data insights. Importantly, the ANPR recognition itself continues to take place inside the camera, while CortexConnect adds a remote management layer around it. Rainier, CEO of AVUTEC, shared the following. AVUTEC has always had embedded ANPR intelligence at its core. The newly launched CortexConnect portal builds on that foundation, providing a single platform to monitor, manage, and automate your ANPR systems remotely. With CortexConnect, everything is instantly synchronized across all connected cameras for smarter, more efficient ANPR management. Next, we turn to IP Parking, who have implemented a large-scale ticketless parking solution at Tysons Galleria in the Washington, D.C. region. The project shows how ticketless parking can support a complex location with different user groups including shoppers, restaurant visitors, tenants, hotel guests, and employees. As you can see in the footage, the user journey is built around license plate recognition, allowing vehicles to move through seamlessly through the barrier system. For a location of this scale, the challenge is not only creating convenient experience for drivers, but also giving the operator the tools to manage activity across the full site in a more efficient way. Robert, COO at IP Parking, shares more about the project and its impact. IP Parking got selected for Tysons Galleria for its seamless ticketless user experience and strong service performance. The system spans 4 parking structures with 6,412 spaces and 33 ticketless lanes, delivering more than 98% match rate and 100% payment rate through a dummy plate solution. This has resulted in higher revenue compared to the previous conventional ticketing system while reducing operational costs. Our next story comes from MAV Systems, with the launch of BayiQ, a new ANPR camera designed for EV charging and parking management. BayiQ helps operators monitor high-demand bays, support enforcement, and manage issues such as overstaying or non-EV vehicles using charging spaces. MAV Systems will also be at Parkex, with another major announcement expected there, so make sure to connect with them if you're attending. To show BayiQ in action, here's the launch video from MAV Systems. Our next story comes from BISS, with a project in Al Rayyan, Qatar, where the company has implemented Flomo, a centralized cloud-based platform for parking operations. The system connects parking operations across 17 locations, bringing together payments, analytics, hardware monitoring, event logs, and financial reporting. BISS also recently highlighted smarter exit payments for busy urban parking locations, showing their wider focus on making parking operations more connected and easier to manage. To share a broader perspective on what municipalities are looking for, here's Alex, CEO of BISS.
We see more and more municipalities who are looking for a unified solution that will combine multiple options, such as paying for parking, paying for EV charging, topping up the public transportation cards, and so on. The most important thing is to design the hardware that would have the necessary tools in order to cater for those needs, even if in the future, such as RFID card readers, QR code scanners, modern payment methods, and etc. The rest is in the hands of software. Modern software allows to add different products and services that could have the unique and personalized user flow.
And finally, we have Peuka, with 2 recent articles highlighting the company's continued expansion across Germany. Through the Peuka app, drivers can access both public and private parking spaces digitally, manage their sessions, and adjust their stay directly from their smartphone. The articles feature a range of new city and regional updates, showing how the platform is being rolled out across both large cities and smaller towns. Christopher, CEO and founder of Peuka, shared the following. Going live in more than 50 German cities within a few months wouldn't be possible without strong partners on the municipal side. Peuka brings private and public parking together in one platform, and our ambition is straightforward, to make parking in Germany genuinely simple, one city at a time. That's a wrap for this episode of the Parking Network News Roundup. Looking across the stories from March and April, a few themes come through clearly. Many of the updates point toward parking becoming more connected, easier to manage, and more convenient for drivers. All these stories are based on articles published on parking.net, so make sure to visit Parking Network to read more and stay up to date. Before we go, a quick note that Parking Network will be at Parkex on the 20th and 21st of May. If you're also attending, feel free to connect with us there in person. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again next time.